Ever needed to pay someone with Payoneer, but you don't have an account yourself? Don't worry, it's surprisingly possible. While Payoneer is primarily designed for account holders, there are a couple of clever workarounds to get funds to your recipient through the platform, even without your own Payoneer login. The most common and reliable method involves a friend or colleague who does have a Payoneer account. If you know someone with Payoneer, you can simply send them your payment amount via a traditional method like bank transfer, PayPal, or even cash. Once they receive your funds, your Payoneer holding friend can then use their own Payoneer account to send the money to your intended recipient, designating it for their Payoneer account. Think of it as a relay race for your payments. Another approach, though less direct and dependent on the recipient's setup, is to ask the recipient if they have alternative payout options linked to their Payoneer account. Some individuals might have linked their Payoneer to services that allow other payment methods for receiving funds. For instance, if the recipient can receive payments through a local bank transfer or a specific wallet, you could pay them through that linked service, and they can then deposit those funds into their Payoneer balance. It's important to note these methods rely on intermediaries or the recipient's existing configurations, and always ensure clear communication with both your intermediary and the final recipient to avoid any confusion. While not a direct payment from you without an account, these are effective ways to get your money into the Payoneer ecosystem for your desired peso. If you need to pay via Payoneer without being a user, you have options.